Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you an amazing tool that I use to find out if a product is popular, people are looking for it, and it's going to sell. You can also use this tool to find out if a product is unpopular, no one's looking for it, and it ain't going to sell. Coming up. Hi guys, welcome back. My name is James at The Giant Marketplace. Okay, so this channel is all about selling online using Amazon. And today's video, I want to talk about how as an Amazon seller, you find out if a particular product is popular or if it's not. If it's going to sell or if it's not. And I do that by looking at the data. I look at how many people are searching for a particular product or type of product using search data. And so I'm going to show you in a minute a website that I use to look at search volume so I can know on a monthly basis how many people are looking for a particular product. So you may have a product already in mind and you may be wondering, is this going to sell? It's okay if you're looking at other sellers that are also selling that same item, but isn't it better that you find something that nobody else is selling, or maybe a variation on that? And do you know how many people are searching for that particular variation? So I'm going to show you in this cool tool how you can find that out. And what I'll be looking at, I'm going to be looking for the higher the numbers. Okay, so the higher the number that I see when I type in a particular keyword phrase, the more popular that is. Now I'm going to look in other videos in how we then look at competition. But for this video, I'm going to concentrate on just looking at search volume. So let's take a look. Right, let's get into this. I'm really excited to show you this actually, because it's one of the tools for actually finding what the search volume's like on Amazon and knowing how many people are looking for a particular product or product type. It's all very well looking on Amazon and finding popular products and then producing something similar or the same and putting your own logo on, but you're going to be sharing, you're going to be sharing the number of customers that are looking for that product. But how about using the search volume to find a particular product that maybe isn't even being sold or served well on Amazon? So I just want to clarify a few things just down here. If you look on the bottom left, you'll see that I'm paying $50 a month for this tool. That's because I'm paying for all the search volume for all the marketplaces, all countries. If you're in the US or the UK, you'll pay considerably less than that per month. I only have this paid for the high subscription because I want to see what the search volume is in all the countries. And I like to look at trends, for example, in the US and not in the UK. I also like to look for translations, see how popular they are in France and Germany, across Europe. So anyway, with that aside, let's get into this. We need to come up with some search terms. We need to have a starting point here. And what I suggest is if you just list down your hobbies and interests, things like you like to do outside of work, what your friends like to do outside of work, family, maybe your children, what they're into, and just list them all down. So you might find that there's a particular sport, or you might find there's a particular unusual hobby, or maybe you're just hearing something that many people are talking about doing or buying. So what you can do is come up with those particular keywords and then you can start hunting and a search. But I'll just give you an example straight away. So let's say we're into gaming. Let's say we're into playing lots of online gaming, and we're using a PlayStation 4 with its shortened name PS4. So let me just type in just to see what the volume's like for a gaming headset. I'm going to click search on here, but I'm also going to select a different marketplace. I'm going to select the UK. So you can see here that the gaming headset got a search volume of 641,000 in a month. So that's a lot. But if we want to see the sub niche on there, the PC gaming headset. So gaming headset will probably incorporate everything like the Xbox and all other types of consoles and gaming platforms. But PC gaming headsets will be specific. That'll be more related to Windows. We've got gaming headset Xbox One, which is 117,000. And we see here as well PS4 gaming headset. So we can see here what the sort of traffic we're looking for here. Now, it all depends in the particular volume that you want to be looking for based on the competition. I would imagine this particular area is going to be well served on Amazon without starting, but we can just type in something else and we can go for dog collar. So we can see here that we've got a dog collar, small dog collar, ankle dog collar, leather dog collar. So you might find that there's plenty of dog collars, but how many leather ones are on there? Also red dog collar, which is something that, you know, there could be all sorts of other different colours, but there might not be a red dog collar served, or if there is, it isn't very good. So this is what we would use to search through that volume there. Let's see if we can type something else in. So we'll look at sport, and we could look at an outdoor activity like hiking. So I'm just going to just type in hiking. We can see here hiking boots, hiking socks, hiking trousers for men, hiking poles, hiking boot laces. So a lot of people want replacement laces. And how much of a search volume are we looking for? So typically we'd want at least 20,000. It does depend on the different marketplaces, but ideally we want that many people to be searching for a particular product. If you are the only seller and it's a brand new product, then it may be worth looking for some for keyword volume data, which is a lot lower than that. But also we're not just looking at one keyword, because when we sell on Amazon, we're going to be adding up a couple of these. So for example, if we were selling hiking boot laces, we'd probably try and rank as well for hiking boot, because we'd get a few people who were buying hiking boots, but then also still buy laces. You know, we're not going to necessarily show up on page one, but we might be shown. Also, we probably have a look for some of the other associated terms. So what we can find is that we can have a pool of keywords which add up to a higher search volume. So for like the US marketplace, we want something maybe like 25 to 30,000. But I'm prepared in the UK and the rest of Europe to be doing anything as low as sort of 20,000 and 15,000. We know that the competition is higher in the US, but again, I would always judge everything based on its merits. So I'm just going to have another look here. So let's try fishing, another popular outdoor activity. So you can see here we've got things like fish tank decorations, fish line, fishing tackle, fishing hooks, dual fish tanks. So quite a mixture of things here. But we might find that we could do like maybe a tropical fish tank accessory, something cool like that. Again, what we would do is we have a look on Amazon and we go through some other tools to see what the competition's like. But I just wanted to give you a flavor. This is a great tool. I don't think there's anything currently out in the market which beats this. If you know of a tool, then by all means put in the comment something that you're using, because even though I'm an experienced Amazon seller and I've been selling on Amazon for over 7 years now, there's still things that I don't know, and I'm still learning. I love to still learn. I love to find out new areas that I can improve, and certainly improve sales. So if you know of a particular product which is better than this, then please put it in the comments and we'll maybe even take a look at it in another video. Now, I believe just on this own, you can take these keywords and then you can put them into Amazon. Now, what I would like to do as well, we've typed in fishing, but it's brought up other associated keywords. What I can do is, if I type in fishing here, Now what's cool about this, and you'll find this in Google as well, is we've got autocomplete. So if you see here, we've got fishing line, tackle, rod and net. Now these are popular search terms. We don't know the actual volume of them, but we can find them out by going to the Merchant Watch tool here. So by typing in fishing here, we've got fishing line, and fishing tackle, fishing rod, fishing net. Do we have fishing net here? Fishing net here was 99,700. So we can see here. Now, like I said on another video, we're looking competition and try to judge what would be good for us to start in. But for right now, I just wanted to show you this tool. And I think it's a great way of being able to find a particular product that's not being sold, which is underserved. And you may find a little gem in here, because if you develop the product by going to a website like Alibaba, having it developed, making it yourself, maybe within Europe or the UK or US or wherever you are, getting that product made up, 200, 300 units, sending it to Amazon FBA and selling, then amazing, people will find your product on Amazon, especially if you're a new product to that area, and we'll cover them in other videos. But this tool, I really find it good. So I'm going to leave it there for today, guys, and I wish you all the very best of success, and I will see you on the next video. Take care.